everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to be back. I took a long break and just kind of been hanging out with my husband and my family and my dogs, and it's just been so relaxing, but I'm so happy to be back. I have so much content to film, so many products. I've been testing out some dupe products. I've been having a lot of fun. I actually wasn't planning on filming today, which is the reason why my hair is pulled up in a bun that's crooked. Like, it is so crooked. Oh my gosh. My hair is dirty. Is that better? Wasn't planning on filming today, but FedEx just dropped this Beautylish box off, and I really wasn't expecting it. To be completely honest with you, I'd kind of forgotten about it. So it arrived, and we're going to open it up. Because I haven't been really thinking about the lucky bag, I have not seen any sneak peeks. I have absolutely no idea what is inside this box. I have not seen any other videos. I don't know what anybody else has got. I have not read anywhere on Instagram, nothing. Like, I know nothing. So that makes it even better, I think. So this is the extra large bag. Last year, I didn't have the best experience with my Beautylish lucky bag. Kind of long story short, I paid the $150, but I did not realize that I bought the buy one, give one, which I was fine with. Basically, you get a $75 bag and they gift a $75 bag. But what was in my box was absolutely horrendous. Worse than like the regular $75 boxes. I watched a ton of like large box unboxings, and mine was the worst. So this year I decided to make sure that I did not rush it, and I went ahead and bought the extra large box, and we're gonna open it up. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is what it looks like right here. Boom, right there. So excited. It says on the little tag, it says, "Now more than ever, we want to celebrate community and connection. This year's lucky bag design is dedicated to you, our global community. We hope the surprises inside serve as a reminder that we're all in this together." So that's what's on the little card thing. I see something from Oribe, and I love Oribe. I'm just going to move this because I don't have much room. Here we go. I'm just going to grab. Okay, so first things first, we have from Holifrog. This is the Halo AHA and BHA Evening Serum. It's got 11%. I like all the acids, so I will definitely be using this. And it's a full-size bottle too. So I love AHAs and BHAs, so happy about that. So the next thing we have here is from Viseart. Ooh, and it's so pretty. I love these tones. I love these tones. This is what it looks like. Isn't that so pretty? Let's just swatch it, should we? Ooh, and it's got gorgeous peachy shade. You guys know I'm a sucker for a peach. Ooh, that is a beautiful palette. Oh, I love this already. Oh, I love that. So far, so good. Okay, let's keep digging. So the next thing we have here is from MOB or Mob. I'm not sure how they're pronouncing it, but it's the Repurpose Compact. And this is what it looks like. Maybe there's something inside that I can put inside of it. I'm not sure. But we'll put this out for now. Maybe there's something inside. I'm looking in there and I'm so excited. There is. Okay, here we go. So this is the Cream Clay Blush. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, that is pretty. Actually, I have some things from Mob or MOB. I need to find out how they're pronouncing it. So you lift this little thing up and stick it down in there. I have bought a few things from this brand, from Beautylish, but I just haven't done a video on it. So this will be nice to put into that, because I will definitely, ooh, and it's creamy. I will definitely be trying this out. So this one is in the shade M72. It's a cream clay blush. That is a gorgeous color. All right. The next item is from Briogeo. This is the Scalp Revival Stimulating Therapy massager, which I actually have one of those like hair massagers. I love it, but it was one of those like really affordable ones from Amazon. So I'm curious how that will work compared to this one from Briogeo. So this is how it feels right here. It feels really good. Ooh, it feels really good. This one might feel even better than the one that I have from Amazon. So I'm excited about this. And I like how it has the little hook where you can hang it like in your shower. Let's keep it moving. I got to pull this out from Oribe. I'm dying to know what product I got from Oribe. So this is the Invisible Defense Universal Protection Spray. So it's a heat protectant. I've used a protectant from Oribe, but it's not this one. I have a lot of Oribe products that I love, and the more that I try from the brand, the more I love, love, love. So I'm excited to try this. I needed a new heat protectant anyways, so this is like perfect timing. So yeah, I'm happy about that. Okay, next up we have a brush from Sonia G, which, I love her brushes. So this is the Jumbo Worker, which I'm pretty sure I have this brush. I do have the Jumbo Worker, but I'm fine to have another one because you can never have too many Sonia G brushes. So I'm happy to get a Sonia G brush in the Beautylish box because they're great brushes. Okay, next I see something from Goss. And I probably already have this because I do have quite a bit of products from Goss. Products that I've bought and products that I've received in PR. So this is the Amber palette. So I'm not even going to open this because I have the Amber palette. This is what the Amber palette looks like. So I'll probably gift this, donate it or something. I'm not going to use it because I already have it, but that was in the box. All right, the next product is from Chantecaille, and it's a lip veil, and I don't know that I have this color. Do I have Ruby? I don't have Ruby. This is Ruby, and it is a beautiful color. Look how pretty that is. I love their lip veils. I love Chantecaille's lip veils. They're some of my favorite. So that is a pretty color. That's going to be so pretty to wear in the summertime. It's a beautiful color. Not mad at that. Not at all. Next up, so this is from the brand Kitsch, I believe. Looks like this right here. So this is a micro derma roller. So this is 0.25 mm. Now I've used these in the past and my problem is I don't stay up with it. I need to though. I like the derma roller. It's just, I've heard good and bad things about the derma roller. So if you received the derma roller in your Beautylish box, just make sure you watch a lot of videos on how to use it because you can actually damage your skin if you're not careful with them. There's a lot of benefits to using a derma roller. You just have to know how to use it because it can kind of go either way. You can overdo it and then it can start to scar your skin, or you can get really good results from it. So I would just recommend, if you got the derma roller, just really do your research, make sure you're doing it right, make sure you're not doing it too many times during the week or whatever. They are very effective, but I remember having a conversation with one of the girls from my med spa, and she said there is that thing where they're good, but if you don't know how to do it and you don't know what you're doing and you overuse it, you can damage your skin. So just be careful with it. Obviously, I am not an esthetician. I'm not a dermatologist. I'm just giving you advice based on what I've been told by professionals. So, just make sure that you kind of read up on it. Do your research before you decide to even use it. And if you do decide to use it, just make sure that you are doing it properly and you're not damaging your skin. That's just my advice. Next up, we have from Goss. So this is the Eye Kohl Pencil in the shade Crystal Merlot, which I have that one. Can't find it, but I will put a picture of it right up here on the screen so you guys can see the color. But I will probably gift this along with the palette just because there's no use in me pulling it out and swatching it and stuff if I'm going to gift it. Okay, and then we have from Slip. This is a Pure Silk Skinny Scrunchie. I love silk scrunchies. The ones that I wear are from Lily Silk. They're my favorite. I have like 6 of them and I just kind of rotate. You can't really see the one I'm wearing. Oh yeah, you can right there. It's blue. I love their scrunchies, but I've actually never tried them from Slip. So I'm excited to have this and try it. I do like using silk to pull my hair up into buns and stuff and like top knots, just because I feel like it doesn't pull on my hair like a regular elastic does. And I don't get the breakage. So I am happy to try that. I've never tried the brand Slip. I've heard a lot of people say good and bad. I've heard some people say they're overrated, they're way too expensive. And then I've heard other people say that they are just absolutely worth the money. So it's hard to say, right? But I am happy to have it and give it a try. Okay, and then the final product we have is from Good Molecules, which I really like Good Molecules. This is their glycolic exfoliating toner. And I actually have this one, and it's a good toner. Good Molecules has good skincare. They do. Most of the products that I've tried, I've really enjoyed. This is what it looks like right here. It's a good toner. If you're in the market for a good, affordable glycolic toner, Good Molecules is good. So that's everything in the bag. I'm gonna go ahead and add up everything and see how much my box is worth. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I went ahead and added everything up. Let's go through it. So first I need to talk about this. So this is the Pure Silk Skinny Scrunchie from Slip. It's in the style Medusa. And I looked all over the Beautylish website. I even went to the Silk website. They don't sell this in single form. They did have a pack of 4 for $25. So I just marked this down as $6.25, okay? So let's talk about the Viseart Quad, the Lila palette. Now, this retails for $25, and I'm really happy about this palette. It's really cute and small. I don't know that I bought any of their quads, so I'm happy to have this. This is really cute. Okay, next up, this from Mob Beauty. I think that's what it is. Is it MOB or Mob? That I need to find out because I don't know. But the brand is Mob or MOB Beauty, okay? And the cream blush refill, that retails for $25. And then the refill case is $5. So that is $30 total for both of them. So then we have the Oribe hair protectant. This is the large size and this retails for $44. The Microderma roller, this retails for $18. The Good Molecules glycolic exfoliating toner, this retails for $14. The Briogeo stimulating therapy massager, this retails for $18. The Holifrog Halo evening serum, this retails for $58, which I'm actually really excited to try this. I am. Then we have the Chantecaille lip veil. This retails for $48, and this was a limited edition shade. And then we have the Goss essential eye pencils. These retail for $14. The Goss amber palette, they retail for $55. And then finally we have the Sonia G jumbo worker brush. This retails for $38. So the grand total for my Beautylish extra large box is $368.25. I paid $150 plus shipping, which I can't remember off the top of my head what that was. I'll put it here on the screen so you guys can see that. But I definitely got my money's worth, even though the Goss palette and the kohl pencil, I'll definitely be donating or gifting or whatever. But all the other products I am excited to use. Overall, I'm really, really happy about what I got in the box. The 2 items that I'm most excited about is definitely the heat protectant from Oribe and the Holifrog Halo. I'm always excited for a new skincare product to try, and I love Oribe. So like I said, that would be something that I would buy anyway. But I really like my box. Definitely better than last year's. Oh, last year's was so bad. It was my fault from the gate because I did not realize that I purchased the buy one, give one, okay? Which I'm fine with. But the fact that what was in it were so bad, it was really disappointing. And like I mentioned, when I watched other videos, I was like, wow, they have a way better box and they paid the $75 and I'm gifting. You would think that maybe, but no, that's not the way it works. But here's the thing, when you do these lucky bags, you kind of enter at your own risk. You know that you might not always get what you want, and you might not always get a good box, and you kind of take that risk from year to year. But I do enjoy the Beautylish Lucky Bags. They are fun. When I saw FedEx drop that box off today, I was like, I am going to go down and film, and we're going to unbox it together. And I'm just so happy to be back. Thank you guys so much for your patience in allowing me to kind of just enjoy my time and enjoy the holidays and just relax. My husband and I have been binge watching. So we've been watching Tulsa King, which is so good. If you guys have not seen that, the season just ended. And then we started watching Peaky Blinders, which I'd never seen before. And we've been really enjoying that, even though it's a little gruesome in parts, but it's good. It keeps you going. And we've just had a great time. It's just been so much fun to just hang out. I've been helping my son take care of his puppy, which the dog has kind of became the dog Arlo. If you guys remember, I brought Arlo on when he was a little teeny little puppy. He's right now laying on my feet, and he's growing like a weed. He's 3 months old. I'll put a picture up here on the screen. And so I've been training him, and he's fully potty trained now. He hasn't had an accident in weeks. And now I'm just doing more behavior training with him. And so it's just been nice to just kind of relax and just take a chill, you know, and yeah, but I'm so happy to be back. I got the Charlotte Tilbury highlighters. I got the new NARS collection. I got the Dior collection. I have been testing that Dior Skin Correct Concealer versus the new one, and I have a lot to say about that. So I will get that video up ASAP, because if you guys like that concealer, you probably need to see that video. I've just been kind of testing a bunch of makeup and testing some dupes, because I wanted to maybe do some shorts with dupes. I don't know. I'm just kind of testing the waters with the whole shorts thing. I'm so excited to be back. And even though I really was not camera ready today, I just don't care. We're all friends here. I'm so happy I decided to turn on the camera and just have fun, unbox the lucky bag, and just have a good time. So thank you guys again for your patience. I love you guys. Sound off down below. How many of you guys bought the lucky bags? Did you get the large, or did you get the extra large? Have you received your box? And what has been your experience? Are you happy with your box, or are you disappointed? I'm so curious. And if you guys watch this, okay, and you receive your box a couple of days from now, come back to the comment section and share like what you got in your box and if you like it, because I'm just so curious to see how many of you out there bought it this year and if you like it or not. So definitely sound off down below. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me in today's video. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. I will see you guys all in my next video. Love you. Bye.